Giving feedback at work can feel awkward. You don't want to sound too harsh. You don't want to be too soft. And too often, no one really knows what to say or what to do with the feedback after. That's why we built the appraisal feature in SMRT.BIO. This tool transforms feedback from vague conversations into smart, structured, and useful evaluations, giving both employees and employers clarity on performance, growth, and opportunities. Whether it's about asking for a raise, planning a promotion, or simply identifying where someone needs support, appraisals create the space for honest, data-backed dialogue. And the best part? Anyone can start it, employer or employee. Let's walk through how it works. If you're an employee, go to your individual dashboard. Scroll until you see Appraisal Test. Click to begin. First, choose the job profile you want to evaluate. Then go ahead and assess yourself. Once finished, you can send your appraisal to someone else for review, ideally your manager or team lead, to begin a two-way evaluation. Now let's look at the process from an employer's perspective. Switch your user role to your organization. Then go to the Team tab. From here, you'll see all members of your team. Choose the employee you want to start an appraisal with and click Start Appraisal. You'll now be able to evaluate this employee based on the skills tied to their job profile. Once completed, the employee will receive a notification to evaluate themselves as well, completing the two-way loop. When both evaluations are complete, here's what you'll see. A visual graph breaks everything down clearly. The green marker shows the employee's self-assessment. The blue marker shows the employer's evaluation. A star icon represents the normal skill level expected at this stage. And at the end of each line is an MBA cap, where employees can find resources and courses to improve that skill. Let's break down what these comparisons actually mean. If the employee rates themselves lower than the employer does, that's a green line. It means the employee may lack confidence in a skill they're actually great at. That's an opportunity for encouragement or discussion. If the employer rates the skill slightly below the employee, the line will appear gray. It still means the employee is considered qualified, but there may be room for growth. But if both the employer and employee rate a skill below the expected standard, this section turns orange. And that's where real development conversations should happen. What training is needed? What's missing? How can this skill be improved? At the top of the graph, you'll see experience levels: junior, mid-year, and senior. Flip through each to see how the evaluations shift based on experience expectations. Appraisal data isn't just for performance reviews. It can help spot future career shifts, identify gaps, and build personalized growth plans within the company. And yes, this entire feature is free for anyone using the SMRT.BIO platform. So go ahead, invite a colleague, start an appraisal. Use it to drive meaningful conversations, real feedback, and better teamwork. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the SMRT.BIO YouTube channel for more tips, tutorials, and tools to help you grow.